Welcome back to our deer stand project. At the end of deer stand part 1, we left you off here. We had the platform done, we had the stairs done, and then we jumped into working on supporting the stairs. You can see here we did kind of a cross support section, added some railings, and then we went ahead and put in some spindles every few inches for more support and safety.
Okay, just finished up working on the deer stand this weekend. A couple things that I did. I secured the stringers to those concrete pads, just in case there's any movement, both sides. And then for the structure of the stairs, I use those Simpson tie downs or hold downs to secure the whole post to the little biscuits here. And then I drove those stakes into the ground just to make sure there's no lateral movement. And then I got all the spindles cut to match the stringers, and I got the decking on. All the stairs are in really good shape here. Not shaky at all, they feel pretty good. And I got all the decking on, so it's ready for framing the next time I come up. And the view is excellent. When all these trees are down, we're gonna be able to see for forever. But anyhow, I got about 35 2x4s ready to go, and I think I have most of what I need to do most of the framing. Windows and doors are in the garage down at the house.
The second wall up that day there with my dad. I was on hot grilled sandwich duty that day. It was freezing cold, even though you can't really tell. Next couple days, we got up the other 2 walls. There's Luke there helping us out on broom duty. We got the ridge set right there with all the hangers for the roof.
afraid it's gonna fall on you.
Okay. This Bannon cart was awesome for hauling up gear. We could take the sides off and use it as a flatbed. Get everything we needed up the hill. Got the rafters up. Got half of the plywood up on the roof. Here my brother Matt and my brother-in-law Chris are getting on the first piece of sheathing on the walls.
Alright, so Saturday was a pretty good day. I got everything out of the house and the garage and from Menards that I need, I believe, up here at the worksite. So it was only about 12 trips with the ATV and the trailer. So it's all the roofing, the ridge vent, the ridge shingles, the starter shingles, and 5 bundles of regular shingles, and a safety harness and drip edge and ice guard, and then all the siding pieces or the trim pieces, 14 pieces of finished siding, and then all the window trim, house wrap, and gable trim, and then of course all the plywood is still here. So didn't get much done today other than I cut the with the what do you call it, with the saw. I cut the window openings before the plywood was covering it, and then I was able to reach with the ladder a couple spots, not that spot on the corner there, but on the other side. I was able to fasten the plywood to the roof a little bit better over there. So looking forward to still have a shot at getting this done for the season. Alright, so just finishing up on Sunday afternoon. Basically got the first layer of all the sheathing done this afternoon. So it's all 4 feet up. And it's ready for the next layer of sheathing. And overall it went pretty smoothly. I don't know what I would do without the generator and the Sawzall, but yeah, it's starting to take shape. Run up the stairs real quick. Starting to feel like a room too. I came up here this morning and there were 3 deer that were hanging out right here, which is actually towards the house. They ran away. Anyhow, time to head back home. Okay, we just finished up the sheathing on the stairs wall, the door and the window wall, and then half of the long wall. So we're just wrapping up. It's pretty much dark here, so we're pretty much wrapping up. Gonna go eat like 5 burgers and stoke the fire so that we have coals for tomorrow morning again.
Had coals every day this morning.
Had coals, yeah, even with a ½ inch of rain. Anyways, see you tomorrow.
We're sewing a sweater.
Ah. What are we actually doing, Dad?
Doug is doing the zip edge, and I'm helping.
Good job, Daddy. You're an assistant.
Yep. The next is the starter shingle, and then we hope to get the rest of the roof on today.
Nice.
Alright, just finished up the last day, fourth day, and all the sheathing is done except for those little triangles on this side and then the opposing side. The soffits are covered, the roof is on. Almost ready for the house wrap and windows and doors. That was a great progress. Huge help from Doug for the last 4 days and Brent as well on Saturday. I still need to sawzall out a couple of the windows, but overall went really well.
Roll generator. I'm getting out of the way. That's why I moved. My dad and my brother-in-law Chris came to help us get in the windows and the door. Really pulled it together. It was cold. It was pretty brutal that weekend. And this is where we've left it. This is where we're at right now today, and we're going to keep working. At the time this picture was taken, it was the beginning of November, so this was completely ready for deer season, and it was really nice hunting out of this compared to just being out in the elements. Stay tuned for Deer Stand episode 3, where we will get the siding on, do some interior work, and all the finishing touches. And I hope to get that done hopefully this summer, if not in the fall when the bugs die down.